What's up YouTube? Today I am back with a very exciting video. Today we're going to be unboxing the new iPhone 13 Pro. Now, I am very excited for this one because this phone finally has 120 Hz Pro Motion, which is a feature I've been waiting for years, ever since the first iPad Pro came out back in 2017. They also shrunk the display notch a little bit, which is a step in the right direction, and they even kept a blue color option. This is their new Sierra Blue, which compared to last year's Pacific Blue is a bit lighter in a different shade. I think I'm going to end up liking this better. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this puppy up. It is launch day today, and I pre-ordered this phone. Got it painlessly today with no problems. So anyways, no more plastic wrap this year, which is interesting. They also have the back of the phone on the box this time instead of the front, which is cool, I suppose. And we have these new plastic pull tabs on the back, so let's go ahead and pop these open. So we just pull this guy like that. We pull this guy like so as well, same procedure, and we'll go ahead and flip her over and go ahead and open it up. There it is. Wow, that is very light actually. That's an interesting shade. I actually really do like it though. You can see it is blue, but it's quite a light blue, which is interesting. You can see this camera system is quite a bit larger than we have on the 12 Pro. Not too much actually. I mean it is, but it's not like overbearing. And honestly, call me weird, but I think it looks a little bit better. It's more proportional to the size of the phone, if that makes any sense. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and pull this guy out. Here she is. Of course, same design as the 12 Pro. They completely revamped the iPhone's design last year, so I wasn't expecting any of that to change for this one. You can think of this phone as kind of like a 12S, but it has the couple of missing things that I really wanted in my iPhone 12. So it's interesting that the sides are much brighter too. That is cool. Anyways, same thing as last year. We have this plastic peel, which I will go ahead and do for you guys real quick. Yes, sir. There we are. Oh yeah, that notch is definitely noticeably smaller. You can see they moved the earpiece to the top as well. Yeah, I am going to enjoy the hell out of this. They also move the buttons slightly further down on the phone. Not a huge difference, but it is there. Yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and file that to the side real quick, and we will take a look at what comes in the box. Of course, all you get is some documentation and your USB-C to Lightning cable. No changes here from the 12 as well. Let's go ahead and boot this guy up and check out that beautiful new screen. There she is. I have a feeling I'm going to be keeping this one for quite a while. The only thing that would make me upgrade again is if they completely got rid of the notch, which I'm not expecting them to do anytime soon. Wow, that booted up quick. Got a nice hello there. Let's go ahead and check out this 120 Hz. Oh my goodness. Holy cow, dude. This is insane. That is crazy. Alright, so anyways, from here, it's just going to be the typical setup, which I'm not going to film, but wow, that screen is, wow, that is amazing. I am so happy right now. Anyways, guys, that's going to about do it for this unboxing. We'll go ahead and pick this back up when I end up doing the full review of the phone, which will be coming, I don't know when, but for now, that is the unboxing of the new iPhone 13 Pro. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.